Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How to disable test mode in Windows 10 or Windows 11 Pro. As you can see, a test mode it is showing here in my Windows. So how to disable? Come here in the command menu, type cmd, right click on that, run as a administrator, and then what you have to do, you have to type a small command bcd. I have given in the description bar this command. This is you have to copy, just you have to copy and paste and then hit enter and you will see operation completed. Okay, now you can see it is still here, but what you have to do, you have to restart your computer. So I will just restart the computer and I will show you. After restart, you can see there is no testing mode. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobile.